Hey, good afternoon, Bob Trade Genius. 13th of August. I've been away for a few days. Went out to the river in Colorado and basically was a water rat for the last 4 days. So didn't bring any recording equipment with me and just kind of relaxed. But in the meantime, a lot of things are happening in the market, and I think we're getting close to some reversal areas. So I'm going to go through that with you right now. So this is the dollar on a daily chart. That's and these are volatility bands. And as you can see here, is that we made an all-time high for the year, and we're pushing up pretty extreme against the standard deviation of volatility. This is 2 standard deviations away, and this is huge movements for the dollar, for any currency. This is not stable currency, and not sure all the whys and wherefores behind this, other than either this is the start of the end, and Exeter inverted pyramid. I did a video on that last week. It behooves you to understand what's happening. It's really called the trust of collateral. Or this is a secular move because President Trump and the administration have correctly identified the fact that as the dollar goes, the stock market goes. And worked until today. I think they're starting to get a little bit of chop now in the markets because of the the volatility picking up. So now we're going to wait and see if this thing breaks down from here. But if it breaks through here and it keeps going, then the world is going to be in a world of hurt. So just FYI on that. And then I'm going to flip over to SPY now. And SPY is all it did was come back down to the VWAP here, and I think it's going to bounce off of this. And so money flow was signaling all day that the market was being bid last 4 hours of the market, and from 9:30 on, or 12:30 Eastern time, a bottom was put in. So this could just literally be the movement of the VIX. And if you see this here, is that contracts are rolling, and so you got this thing pushing up from 10 all the way up to almost 15. It broke over anything in August, broke over anything in July, and zoom out a little bit further here, and it took us all the way back to pretty much the 1st of July, so when the June contracts were expiring. But it's a breakout nonetheless, so we'll just have to keep an eye on it. And if you look at VVIX, the volatility of the VIX, that's moving up too. So you'd like to see this thing kind of roll over, and then you'll see the VIX roll over, and then I think you'll see VXX roll over, and then I think the market's going to try to get to new highs. So VXX broke out, not surprised, and now we just have to keep an eye on it. It did this, and it was basically a bull flag. And it does that a lot. It'll do this. It'll do one breakdown and then shoot back higher. And now this is the one you have to watch to see if it touches 31 and breaks down, or if it goes for another move higher. This is the tricky season for volatility, August, September, and then fourth quarter. You've always been able just to put puts on volatility for the rest of the year, and it pays you. So could be the hurrah here over the next couple weeks. Or we can have this issue going all the way through to the election. So we'll have to wait and see. And I'll talk more about my stuff later. I got stopped out of a bunch of stuff, and I just got to kind of look at all the charts tonight. And I'm just going to be really playing it pretty tight here. I think I'm out of everything except for Goro. I got to go ahead and pull up my stuff and take a look. And I just wanted to get the video out of here real quick as I got home. And then I'll take a peek at everything. But Goro is the only thing that looks good. Goro and I have DRD, but I haven't been putting it on the sheets. That's been holding up pretty well as well. And then we'll just have to wait and see what's going on. But the dollar is starting to kill everything. And so, I think it's been hijacked politically. Now we'll have to wait and see how the next couple weeks play out. I'll talk a little bit more about some day trade opportunities for people now that I'm back in front of the computer all day again, starting tomorrow. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.